Hello friends, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about Bombas Socks reviews. Friends, this is not a website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, guys, and you can see it is an online shopping store based in United States that deals with women, men and kids socks. Apart from that, you can see 20% off everything that is limited time only. So the company is offering some discounts and you can see the prices of these offerings along with the discounts. So this is a good thing here that you can grab better opportunities or best discounts. Now the prices of these offerings are too good to be true as well. Now let's talk about the payment information of this website. So for that, guys, you need to visit the FAQ section. And here you will be find some categories including shipping, products and sizing, return and exchanges, mission, so let's check out the payment information first. And for that, I need to check out the payment information in the following categories. So guys, you need to visit the checkout and account section and you will find what forms of payment are accepted question along with the answer. So the website accepts payment through Visa, MasterCard, American Express and Discover, as well as Apple Pay, PayPal and Amazon payments. So this was the payment information. Now let's visit the shipping policy section. So guys, you will find shipping information here and you can see the shipping duration is 7 to 12 business days for Australia, 7 to 12 business days for Canada, 4 to 7 business days for United Kingdoms, and they have mentioned that please allow 1 to 3 business days for your order to ship. So this was the shipping information. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. And guys, talking about the first and important factor, which is HTTPS connection. So the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. And talking about its domain information, guys, the domain name was created on 12th of January 2000. So guys, let's check out the about us section of this site to know more about this website. So here you will find 4 sections including our story, sock tag, giving back and buzz. Then you will find the information related to offerings of this site along with the mission. So this is a good sign here that they have mentioned companies about us page and information. Now let's check out the contact us details of this website. So for that you need to visit contact us page and guys, they have mentioned contact number, which is a good sign. But I'm not able to view the official address. They have not listed the official address of the company, which is not a good sign. Now guys, let's check out the social media existence. So you can see 4 social media icons are available on this website, which is a good sign. And yes, the site has strong social media presence on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. So this is a good sign, guys, which shows that the website is a legit website. Now let's check out the return policy, and for that you need to visit the FAQ section again. So when you click the FAQ section button, you will find 4 sections including shipping and all that. Then you will find refund and exchanges section. This is the return and exchange section, guys, and here you will find the information related to return and exchanges. I think there's a network issue. So guys, this is the return section, and here you can find questions like how can I return items, what's your return policy. So when you'll check out this question and you will get the information. But guys, they have not mentioned standard return policy here. So do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product, because it will give benefit to other customers while reviewing a website or making any online purchase. And guys, talking about Bomba Socks reviews, we have found 4.7 rating out of 5 about the site on Trustpilot and on internet, which is a good sign and define its legitimacy. Guys, according to a study, one customer said, I love Bomba Socks. I have found that I prefer the running or tennis performance socks the best. And however, we have found few negative comments, or you can say feedback, and one of the customers said, in general, Bomba Socks and support are great, but I bought a pair of the gripper slippers and I'm not happy with them. The lining gets bunched up, they are too tight, hard to put on and generally uncomfortable. Too bad because they looks attractive. So this was the customer review information, guys. And apart from that, the site is professionally managed. You will find everything on the site, which is a good sign. So in the final conclusion, I would say the site appears to be legit, and if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep supporting, please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.